name is Kavita. I'm from Department of Naval Sarawak. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, before the training, I'm so excited to attend this training because I really need this extra training. Um, there's a testimony that I want to share is there's a one report which I did every quarterly, and to remove the blank rows between the pages because it's actually is generated from the PDF format. Uh, and convert it into Excel. And when you convert it, we have many rows. So it takes about 10 hours just to delete the blank rows between the pages. So when I attended this course, I learned about I can remove the blank rows within 5 minutes out of 10 hours.
Thank you very much. And that is just one of the extraordinary result that people who learn Power BI. Right, from 10 hours, it become less than 5 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very excited to share with you more about this on our upcoming National Training Week, where it's led by the HR Human Resource Development Corporation, and I am very grateful that I have a opportunity and a privilege to take a photo with the Chief Executive Datuk Shahu Dawu. Right, so what he's holding here is a favorite Excel Ninja Formula Guide that many of my students like it very much. Well, what have I done so far within this year, right? So this year, I just done completed a sharing for over 100 Penang youth on the 4th of March 2023. Yes, Penang Youth Development Corporation actually awarded me a certificate of appreciation, right? And this is not the only CSR that I do, right? I also do for many universities. And why is that so, right? Because that I have very high altruism, right? So in the DICC tools here, um, I find that Power BI is something that Malaysians need to embrace, right? Because as you can hear just now, right, 10 hours job become less than 5 minutes. And above all, right, is that Power BI is the future, right? It has to be a future. And that's why I share 4 session is upcoming 23rd May to 26th May, right? So I am rated as 9 out of 10, right? Consistently for the past 14 batch with MIA. So yeah, I hope that you will take this opportunity to learn this. If you cannot, right? So you can always join my channel here, right? So I just share one more topic on how to use Power BI to create the top 3 products. You know how to use it in Excel pivot table, but how about in Power BI, right? You can do this also, right? All you need is just activate the filters and so on, right? So you can watch this video and so much more, right? So seize this opportunity, learn from one of the best. And I see you soon in National Training Week, 23rd March, May 10th, right? So how do you get to know about me, right? You can go to here. Oh yeah, man, right? I'll go to maybe I give you a link later on, right? So I have this here, and then I basically share it right here. Yes. So that is the link right there. Yes. Later I will just put it this plan here, right? So you can find all the links right here and the schedule. So download this thing, right? Don't miss this opportunity. And this is once in the year. Yeah. So thanks for watching. See you